In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a row or column in a Google Slides table with ease. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure your tables look clean and professional, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any other purpose. So let's get started, shall we? First, you need to select the table. To do this, simply click anywhere within the table to highlight it on your slide. Once you've selected the table, you're ready to move on to resizing the rows or columns as needed. Now, if you're looking to resize a specific row or column manually, you'll want to hover your cursor over the border of the row or column you're interested in adjusting. As you position the cursor right over the border, you'll notice that it changes into a double-sided arrow. This change indicates that you're in the right spot to begin resizing. Once your cursor transforms into that double-sided arrow, go ahead and click and hold the mouse button. With the mouse button held down, you can now drag the border to either increase or decrease the size. Dragging up or down will adjust a row, while dragging left or right will adjust a column, depending on whether you're focusing on a row or a column. This method is perfect when you want precise control over the size of one particular row or column. But what if you want to make things more uniform? Maybe you have multiple rows or columns that you'd like to have evenly distributed. For this, the Distribute feature in Google Slides can be incredibly handy. Start by selecting the rows or columns that need adjusting. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over multiple rows or columns, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking each one individually. After you've selected the desired rows or columns, you'll want to right-click on your selection. You'll see a menu pop up with various options. Look for the options labeled Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns. Click on the one that suits your needs based on whether you are adjusting rows or columns. Using this Distribute feature is especially useful for quickly achieving a neat and uniform look without having to manually adjust each boundary. It saves time and ensures consistency across your table, which can be particularly important in professional settings where every detail matters. And there you have it. Resizing rows and columns in Google Slides doesn't need to be a daunting task. With these straightforward steps, you can ensure your tables are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you opt for precise manual adjustments or the sleek uniformity of the Distribute feature, you now have the tools to make any table look its best. Thank you for watching and happy presenting!